Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably considering ditching Gmail in 2025, and that's totally okay. Maybe you're switching to a new email provider for privacy reasons or just want to simplify your digital life. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to cancel your Gmail account. But before we dive in, a quick heads up. Canceling Gmail often means deleting your entire Google account, so make sure to back up any important emails, contacts, or files first. That way, you won't lose valuable data. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and log into your Google account using your email and password. Once you're in, head over to myaccount.google.com. That's your Google account dashboard. Next, in the left-hand menu, click on Data and Personalization. This section is all about managing your info. Scroll down until you see Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data. Click on that, and then look for Delete a service or your account. By 2025, Google's interface might have some updates, so if it looks a bit different, just search for similar options. Once you find it, select Delete your account or services and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll need to confirm your identity, maybe enter your password again, and acknowledge that this action is permanent. Google will likely remind you about the consequences, like losing access to all linked services such as YouTube or Drive. Take a moment to double-check everything. If you're only wanting to delete Gmail and not your whole account, look for the option to delete just the service. But keep in mind, this might still affect other Google features. After confirmation, your account will be scheduled for deletion, which could take a few days. Now, if you're second-guessing this, consider alternatives like ProtonMail for better privacy or Outlook for a Microsoft ecosystem. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and how-tos. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help.